So what's the worst that can happen if you do estate planning yourself? Hi, I'm Gary DeWitt, and I own DeWitt Law Firm, where we're with you every step of the way. You can get your plan started by going to DeWitt.law. When you do your planning yourself, one mistake could turn your entire plan into a do-nothing plan. This means your family will face the pain of probate with its gigantic legal fees, aggravations, and wasted time. It's easy to make mistakes because of the complexity of the planning, the language used, and the terms of art. Terms of art are phrases that mean something different than their literal expression. There's one commonly made mistake that I see quite often that could cost you half of what you have while living, even if it isn't your fault. And you don't get do-overs. Mistakes are paid for by you and your family. And don't think online services are going to protect you. Because online services are not law firms, but they claim to be document preparation services or companies. They waive all liability for mistakes made on their part and for any mistakes you make while entering data. Again, one mistake can make it a do-nothing plan. I'm Gary DeWitt, where we're with you every step of the way. You can get your plan started now by going to DeWitt.law.